Morning. Today we are going to start module number 3, which is called Answering an Email. Okay, so I'm going to show you my screen here quick. See right here. Okay, so our objective for today is learn how to respond to an email. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Here we go. All right, let's look at our words. Okay, our first set of words are email, correo electrónico.
Date,
Date o fecha.
date. Dear,
Dear o estimado.
dear. Email,
Email o correo electrónico.
email. From,
From or de.
from. Re,
Re.
re.
Re sería como tu respuesta.
Response,
Y lo te dice response. Respuesta.
response. Sincerely,
Sincerely o atentamente.
sincerely. Subject,
Subject o asunto.
subject. To,
To o para.
to.
Okay. Our next group of words are school o colegio.
American history,
American history. Historia de los Estados Unidos.
American history. Class,
Class o clase.
class. Course,
Course. Curso. Asignatura.
course. In class,
In class o en clase.
in class.
Okay, next one are computers, excuse me. O computadoras.
Download,
Download o descargar.
download. Link,
Link o enlace.
link. Web page,
Web page o página web.
web page.
Okay, next group of words are general o general.
Article,
Article o artículo.
article. First,
First o primer.
first. Mrs.,
Mrs. o señora.
Mrs. Respond,
Respond o responder.
respond. Together,
Together o juntos.
together. Welcome,
Welcome o dar la bienvenida.
welcome. Work,
Work o trabajar.
work.
Okay, now let's look at the practice.
Welcome,
Welcome. What is welcome? Dar la bienvenida.
dear,
Dear. Estimado o querido.
web page,
Web page. Página web.
in class,
In class. O en clase.
download,
Download. O descargar.
to,
To. Sería para. Article. O artículo.
Sincerely.
Sincerely o atentamente.
Course.
Course. Curso o asignatura.
Class.
Class es clase. Next one is number 2. Okay, 2 quiere decir para. From. De. Web page. Página web. Sincerely. Atentamente. Email. O correo electrónico. Download. Descarga. First. Primero. Course. Curso. Class. O clase. And American history es historia de los Estados Unidos. Okay, good job. Number 3. Okay, fecha. Is date. Para. To. Oops, sorry, lazy click. La respuesta equivocada. Atentamente. Sincerely. Primero o primera. First. Página web. Or web page. Señora o señora. We know it is Mrs. Dar la bienvenida. So welcome. Juntos o juntas. We know it's together. Correo electrónico. We know is email. Respuesta. Response. Okay, good job. All right, let's go to read number 1. says read and listen to the text, then click the exercise tab and choose true or false. Lee y escucha el texto, luego haz clic en la pestaña exercise y elige verdadero o falso. All right.
Responding to an email from your teacher.
Responder a un correo electrónico de tu profesor o profesora.
Rafael is a student.
Rafael is a student.
He got this email from his teacher, Mrs. Denby.
Ha recibido este correo electrónico de su profesora, la señora Denby,
From
de
Mrs. Betty Denby.
la señora Betty Denby.
Date,
Fecha,
January 15th.
15 de enero,
To
para
Rafael Diaz. Subject,
ausento,
the first class.
la primera clase, perdón.
Dear students,
Estimados estudiantes,
welcome to American History, course AH 311.
bienvenido a Historia de los Estados Unidos, curso AH311.
For our first class, please download Article 1 from my webpage,
Para nuestra primera clase, por favor, descarga el artículo 1 de mi página web,
www.broadmail.org/Denby. We will read it together in class.
lo leeremos juntos en clase.
Sincerely,
Atentamente,
Mrs. Denby,
señora Denby,
Willow School.
Escuela Willow. Okay. Rafael couldn't download the article. Here's his response.
Rafael couldn't download the article.
Rafael no ha podido descargar el artículo.
Here's his response.
Esta es su respuesta.
Dear Mrs. Denby,
Estimado o estimada señora Denby,
I'm a student in your American History class.
soy alumno de tu clase de Historia de los Estados Unidos.
I tried to download Article 1, but the link doesn't work.
He intentado descargar el artículo 1, pero el enlace no funciona.
Please tell me what to do.
Por favor, dígame qué puedo hacer.
Sincerely,
Atentamente.
Rafael Diaz.
Ok, vamos al ejercicio. Rafael told his teacher that the link to an article didn't work. True or false? True. Number 2. Rafael told his teacher which class he is in. True or false? True. Number 3. Rafael's teacher couldn't download the article. True or false? False. And number 4. Rafael knows what to do now. True or false? That is false. Okay, so let's check these. They're correct. Good job. Now let's look at words 2. Practica estas palabras. Let's practice these words. Okay. First set of words are writing emails to teachers. Escribiendo correos electrónicos a los profesores.
Assignment.
Assignment o trabajo o tarea.
Assignment. Formal language.
Formal language, lenguaje formal.
Formal language. Question.
Question o pregunta.
Question. Short message.
Mensaje corto.
Short message.
A short message.
Subject line.
Subject line o línea de asunto.
Subject line.
Expressions or expresiones.
The end.
At the end o al final.
The end. If that's okay,
Si le parece bien.
if that's okay, let me know.
Let me know o dígamelo, avísame.
Let me know.
Okay, now let's look at the second part of those words. Those are called general o general.
After class.
After class o después de clase.
After class. Before.
Before o antes de.
Before. Busy.
Busy o ocupado.
Busy. Clear.
Clear, quitar o despejar.
Clear. Could.
Could, podría.
Could. For example.
For example, or por ejemplo.
For example. Just.
Just. Justo.
Just. Remember.
Remember o recordar.
Remember. Send.
Send. Mandar, enviar.
Send. Tip.
Tip o consejo.
Tip. Write.
Write o escribir.
Write.
Right now, let's get this practice.
Let me know.
Let me know. Avísame.
Just.
Just. O justo.
At the end.
Al final.
Remember.
Recordar o acordarse.
Short message.
Mensaje corto.
Question.
Question. Pregunta.
Assignment.
Assignment. Trabajo o tarea.
Formal language.
Formal language o lenguaje formal.
Busy.
busy, ocupado, oops, sorry, hice clic en la respuesta incorrecta, sorry.
Tip.
Y tip es consejo. Okay. Second part. Remember. O recordar. Let me know o avísenme. Busy o ocupado. If that's okay. Si le parece bien. Clear. Quitar o despejar. Before. Antes de. Assignment. Trabajo o tarea. Tip. Consejo. Subject line. Línea del asunto. Question. Pregunta. Number 3. Quitar, despejar o vaciar. Clear. Hoy nomás no lo estoy atinando. Después de clase. After class. Por ejemplo. For example. Al final. At the end. Dígamelo. Let me know. Escribir. To write. Consejo. It's a tip. Antes de. Before. Pregunta. Question. Recordar o acordarse de. Remember. Good job. Now let's look at read 2. Oops. Lee y escucha la página web. Luego haz clic en la pestaña Exercise y elige las respuestas correctas.
Tips.
consejos.
Writing an email to your teacher.
Escribir un correo electrónico a tu profesor o profesora.
Use formal language.
Utiliza lenguaje formal.
Write dear,
Pon estimado,
not hi.
no hola.
Use sincerely
Utiliza atentamente
before your name at the end of your email.
antes de tu nombre al final del correo electrónico.
Write a clear subject line.
Escribe una línea del asunto clara.
For example, write questions about the assignment,
Por ejemplo,
not just questions.
Pon preguntas sobre el trabajo, no solo preguntas.
Write a short message.
Write a short message. Escribe un mensaje corto.
Teachers are busy. Remember, teachers are busy.
Recuerda, los profesores están ocupados.
Here is an example of an email to a teacher.
Este es un ejemplo de un correo electrónico a una profesora.
From
De
Kevin Sharp. Date, January 7th. To Mrs. Janet Jones.
para la señora Janet Jones.
Subject,
Asunto,
questions about the assignment.
preguntas sobre el trabajo.
Dear Mrs. Jones,
Estimada señora Jones.
I have some questions about the assignment.
Tengo algunas preguntas sobre el trabajo.
Could I speak to you after class on Thursday?
¿Podría hablar con usted el jueves después de clase?
Please let me know if that's okay.
Por favor, avísame si le parece bien.
Sincerely,
Atentamente,
Kevin Sharp.
exercise. When you write an email to your teacher, say hi, use a formal language, or write question in the subject line. Use formal language. Number 2, the subject line in an email should be clear, busy, or dear. Clear. Number 3, you should write blank before your name at the end of the email. Hi, dear, or sincerely. Sincerely. And then number 4, Kevin wants to email the assignment to his teacher, help his teacher, or speak to his teacher about his assignment. Speak to his teacher about his assignment. So let's hit check. Correct. Good job. Now let's go on to build a text. All right. Arrastra las palabras hasta los lugares correctos. Okay. So let's take this as an email, right? It's from Pedro Rivera to what goes right here. Options, nuestras opciones are subject, let me know, sincerely, dear, assignment, or Mrs. Mrs. Kendrick. Okay, now go with what goes right here. says blank the assignment. Subject. All right, so to start the email, what goes right here? It says blank Mrs. Kendrick. Dear Mrs. Kendrick, I have a problem with my assignment. Could I talk to you after class on Wednesday? Please blank if that's okay. Let me know if that's okay. Blank Pedro Rivera. Sincerely, Pedro Rivera. Okay, let's check. That is correct. Now let's look at read and write. Okay, says read and listen to email, then complete the activity by typing the correct information. All right, let's listen to the email.
From Mr. Peters to Juan Garcia. Subject, the first class. Date, January 8th. Dear students, welcome to English Reading, course ER 211. For our first class, please download these things from my webpage, www.broadmail.org/eric.peters. The first article. The first assignment. Sincerely, Mr. Peters, Barclay School.
All right, let's listen to it one more time.
From Mr. Peters to Juan Garcia. Subject, the first class. Date, January 8th. Dear students, welcome to English Reading, course ER 211. For our first class, please download these things from my webpage, www.broadmail.org/eric.peters. The first article. The first assignment. Sincerely, Mr. Peters, Barclay School.
All right. Okay, so under where it says from, what do I write there? Who's the email from? Juan Garcia. Okay, says subject. Asunto, ¿qué es el asunto? The first class. Okay, blank Mr. Peters. Dear Mr. Peters, I am a student in your English reading course at Barclay School. I tried to blank the first article. Download the first article and the first assignment from your page, but the link didn't work. Could you please tell me what to do? Sincerely, Juan Garcia. All right, let's check this quick. And they're correct, so good job. All right, so let's do a quick review of our objectives. Remember, today you learned how to respond to an email, Okay, so don't forget to do the last 2 pages in your packet. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.